replaced with water. 20 liters of this mixture is again removed and replaced with water. So how much milk is present in the vessel? Okay. So yesterday somebody asked me allegations and mixtures. So for them, this is for you guys. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Kindly give your answers here. Yes. Anybody? Yeah, there is a shortcut formula and there is a traditional way of solving also. Okay, there is a traditional way of solving also. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, Lakshmi got the answer. Neeraj got the answer. Sai Baba, no, that's the wrong answer. Guys, you guys need to understand this is the company specific one. Okay, so I can't go back and I can't discuss the basic kind of thing. Yeah, basic sessions is already done for few students. Okay. Yes, guys. What's the answer? Okay. 45, 40, 45, 40. Yes. Okay. You can solve the question like this, ma. You can solve the question like this. Okay. Yeah. Let me take this opportunity and let me explain to you. Milk, water. Okay. Initially, how many liters of milk is there? I want to kindly reply in the live chat, everybody. Initially, how many liters of milk is present? Everybody need to reply. Okay, 80 liters. At that particular time, water is 0, no? Yes, water is 0. Now tell me, 20 liters of this milk is removed and replaced with water. How many liters that person is removing? 20 liters. So if he is removing 20 liters of milk means, can I say after the first replacement, can I say the milk is 60 liters? The 20 liters is removed and replaced with what? Water. How many liters of water? 20 liters of water. Till here, I don't have any issue because this is easy because the first one is a pure milk. Yes or no? From the second thing, what happened, guys? Look at here. Now also the total is 80. So let's say this is the mixture. Yes or no? This is what the mixture. Initially, it is a pure milk. Okay, it is a pure milk. Now can I say this 80 liters is a mixture? Agree, everybody? Now from this, he is removing what? 20 liters again. When I am removing 20 liters, how many liters of milk used to come out and how many liters of water used to come out? That is the point. If you are good at that, your job is done. That's the analogy of this particular question. That's the analogy of this particular question, ma. Okay, now tell me how many liters of milk will come out? Do you think 20 liters of milk will come out? No, 20 liters will not come. 20 liters will not come. How many liters of milk will come out? Tell me. How many liters of milk will come out? 15 liters? Okay, 15. Why 15 is a point? Why 15 is the point? Yeah, it's very simple. Guys, tell me, out of 80, initially I am removing how many liters, Nana? 20 liters. So, how much percent I am removing it? Please tell me, how much percent I am removing it? Can I say, I am removing it 25%, agree? I am removing 25%. Yes or no? I am removing what, 25%? Okay, listen to me. I am removing 25%. Yes. Okay. When I am removing 25%, now in 60 also I have to remove 25%. No? So I have to remove, okay, 1/4 of 60 and 1/4 of 20. Okay, what is 1/4 of 60? 15 liters I have to remove. What is 1/4 of 20? 5. Then only the 20 liters of mixture will come out. Yes or no? Then only the 20 liters of mixture will come out, which means, okay, out of 60, 15 is gone. Left with what? So finally, milk and water, can I say? See, forget about the water. Forget about the water. Okay, why I am telling forget about the water? Because, out of 60, I am removing how many liters? 15 liters. 60 minus 15 is what, Nana? 45. The remaining everything water only. Let's say if he's asking water also, you have to do like this. So milk you will get what, 45. So the remaining, because the total is equals to 80. So water, how many liters? Tell me, everybody. Water, how many liters? Tell me. 80 minus 45. 80 minus 45 is what? 80 minus 45. 35. మా కరెక్ట్. ఈ 20 లో నుంచి 5 పోతుంది అంటే 15 ఉంటది. కానీ మళ్ళీ ఎక్స్ట్రాగా 20 లీటర్స్ వాటర్ యాడ్ చేస్తాం కదా. అందుకే వాటర్ గురించి పట్టించుకోకండి, కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతారు. ఫోకస్ ఆన్ గైస్, ఫోకస్ ఆన్ మిల్క్. ఫోకస్ ఆన్ మిల్క్. ఓకేనా? ఫోకస్ ఆన్ మిల్క్. ఓకే, ఫోకస్ ఆన్ మిల్క్. లెట్ మీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ యూ వన్ మోర్ టైం. ఒకసారి మళ్ళీ. మిల్క్, వాటర్. Initially milk is 80 liters, water is 0 liters. 20 liters of milk is removed. So if 20 liters of milk is removed after first replacement, if 20 liters is removed, I left with what, Nana? 60 liters of milk. Yes, perfect. Okay, and replaced with what? Water. Now so I hope this is understood by everybody. Okay, this is understood by everybody, right? Now, from the second replacement, he is not removing milk, he is not removing water, he is removing what? A mixture. That's what you need to understand. He is removing what? A mixture. Okay, mixture. From this he is removing 20 liters. He is removing, can I say he is going to remove milk and water? No, he is going to remove milk and water. Yes or no? He is going to remove, in this 20 he is going to remove milk and water. On what basis he will remove? There are two ways of understanding the question. Okay, so initially he is removing 20 liters. So this 20 is what percent of 80? So this 20 is what percent of 80? Okay, 25%. 25%, because 1/4, no, he is going to remove 1/4. Always he will remove 1/4 of milk. Okay, so in 60, what is 1/4, Nana? In 60, 1/4 is what? 15. So now he is removing 15 liters of milk. He left with what? 45. In 20, what is 1/4? In 20, 1/4 is going to be what? 5. So he is going to remove 5. So that's why 15 and 5 only 20 liters. Okay, I am writing this symbol because of you are going to subtract from 60, you are going to subtract from 20 minus 5 is what? 15. Don't mind this. Again, I am going to add water only. No. So that's why, because this 2 has to be equal 80. Okay, this is one way of doing. The other way, in this 20 liters milk and water is there only, after first replacement, can I say the ratio is going to be 3:1? The ratio is going to be 3:1. So the milk and water is also is going to removed in what ratio? 3:1 ratio. 3 plus 1 is what? 4 parts. This 4 parts only to 20. No, when 4 parts is 20, 1 part is what? 5. 3 parts is what? 15. So in that 20 liters, I am removing 15 liters of milk and 5 liters of water. Okay, 15 liters of milk and 5 liters of water. So that's why it will become 20. Okay, so 60 minus 15 will give you 45. Okay, is this clear, everybody? Is this clear? Okay, kindly reply in the live chat. I am going to explain you with a formula. I am going to explain you with a formula. Okay. Yeah, how the formula goes. Okay, guys, but I am interested in solving in a general method, because the formula is not going to help you. The formula is not going to help you when How many liters is removing, Nana? 20 liters. And is replacing also 20. Only he is removing X liters and the same liters of water or anything is replacing, then only this formula is helpful. Okay, the formula goes like this, Nana. Final quantity divided by initial quantity is equals to 1 minus X by C whole to the power of T. Okay, let me write whole to the power of N. N is nothing but number of replacements. N is nothing but number of replacement. We don't know the final quantity. Can I write this final quantity is equals to initial quantity into 1 minus x by c to the power of n. X is nothing but how many liters you are replacing. Okay, x is nothing but what? How many liters are replacing. C is nothing but capacity of the vessel, which is nothing but initial quantity. So guys, please substitute here. What is initial quantity? 80. Okay, 1 minus. How much is replacing, Nana? How much is replacing? 20. What is the capacity of the vessel? 80. Tell me, what is n value? How many times he is removing? Everybody. How many times he is removing? Yeah. How many times he is removing? Everybody. 2 times. So n value will become what? 2. So 80 into 1 minus 1 by 4. So can I write this as what? 3 by 4? Is it 3 by 4 only? 1 minus 1 by 4. Is it 3 by 4? Yes. So the final quantity is equals to 3 by 4 whole square. Can I write 3 by 4 and 3 by 4 like this? Okay. So 4 ones are 4 20s are. Okay. 4 ones are 4 how many times? No, no? 4 fives are. Okay. So 5 into 3 threes are what? 9. 9 threes are what? No, 45. Are you getting 45 only? Is your answer is 45? Is your answer is 45? Yes. Okay, is your answer is 45? Yes. Okay. Okay. X is nothing but how many liters you are replacing. C is nothing but capacity. Final quantity you want. Okay. Initial quantity you want. Sometimes he may give the final quantity. You need to figure it out the initial quantity. Okay. Okay. Out of 4 variables, out of 3 variables, he'll give 2. You need to find out the remaining one. Okay. So please kindly note down the formula. Guys, if there the prerequisite is this, he has to remove same liters of water and same liters of milk, then only you can use this formula. Otherwise, if the replacement is not same, always this x keep changing, no, then you can't get your answer. So you have to use a traditional way of solving. Okay, you have to use a traditional way of solving. But 95% of the examination, they'll give the same number. Okay, they'll give the same number. Okay, they'll give the same number. Am I clear with this, everybody? Kindly reply in the live chat. Kindly reply in the live chat. Okay, quick. Yeah. Okay. People who asked me yesterday the concept of allegation. Okay, I'll go to that question and yeah, I want you to solve this question. Yes. Sachin has played 180 matches and his batting average is 56 4 by 9. His batting average in matches played in India is 57, and those matches played in outside of India 56. Find the number of matches played in India. Yes. I mean, I want to tell you the truth. If you want to good at the concept of allegation, first మీకు తెలియాలా ఈ క్వశ్చన్ కి అలిగేషన్ అనే కాన్సెప్ట్ యూజ్ చేయాలని. If you know that, it makes sense. Okay. Yes, guys. What is the answer? Yup, guys. What is the answer? Yesterday somebody asked me. Yes, people are getting their answers 100, 80. Naveen, I think Naveen asked me, right? Naveen, are you there in the session? Yeah. You keep replying. Okay, Naveen. Yeah. Please see here. Okay. Yes, guys. Basically, let's say if you want to do a traditional way, how many matches total you have? 180. If let's say in India he played X matches, outside of India he played how many matches, Nana? Outside of India he played how many matches? Yeah, the total number of matches he played is 180 minus X. Agree? Yeah. In India, what is his batting average? 57. Outside of India, what is the batting average? 56. Right? So, guys, can I say I know the overall average? I know the overall average. Average formula is what? Sum by number. Yeah. The sum, can I say, X into 57 plus 180 minus X into 56. That is divided by 180. What is the average? What is the average? 56 4 by 9. This is what, if you are doing like this, definitely you can get your answer, but it will take 2 days to solve it, which means, you will take a lot of time. Yes or no, guys? Are you getting my point? Because average is equals to sum by number. Sum is nothing but, the total matches played in India. Idemo number, idi average. You don't do sum ayyedi. Yes or no? Okay, I hope you have understood this calculation. uh, I am not interested to solve this because it will take a lot of time. It will kill my time. Okay. So in the examination, the main point is, you have to thorough with the guys. Look at here. Now the concept of allegation. Look at here, ma. Look at. Okay, India, outside of the India. India, see, allegation is nothing but a form of weighted average. India and outside of the India. Guys, tell me, in India, what is his average score? 57. Outside of India, what is his average score? 56. Always remember. Okay. Here you have a mean value also. You have total matches average also. What is the total match average? 56 4 by 9. Okay, 56 what? 56 4 by 9. 56 4 by 9. Okay, now tell me, always subtract from highest value to the lowest value. 57 minus 56 4 by 9. How much? So here what you're going to write is 57 minus 56 4 by 9. 57 minus 56 4 by 9. How much is this? Is it 4 by 9 or 5 by 9? Be conscious and tell me. Arey Baba, 57 minus 56 4 by 9. Tell me in fractions. 5 by 9. 5 by 9. So here, 56 4 by 9 minus 56. How much is this, ma? 56 4 by 9 minus 56. 56 4 by 9 minus 56. Can I say 4 by 9? So the ratio, can I say, the matches played in India is 4 parts. The matches played in outside of the India is 5 parts. So India is 4 parts. Outside of the India is what? 5 parts. Total how many parts, Nana? 9 parts. Total how many matches he played? 180. Can I say 9K is equals to 180? Then K is equals to what? 20. Where you need matches, you match the matches played in India. In India, he played what? 4K matches. So K is 20, then 4 into 20, the answer is what? 80. 4 into 20, the answer is what? That's the beauty. If you are good with the allegation, trust me, you can solve questions, in a less time. Okay. Chala fast ga cheyochu. Chala less time lo. Okay na? Okay. Okay, is this clear? Naveen, clear with this question? Naveen, clear with this question? Okay. Yeah. Done with this, please say yes in the live chat. I'm going to few more questions. Yeah, I want you to solve this. I want you to solve this question, guys, everybody. Yeah, the other method already first I told you, no, Ramesh. చెప్పినాం కదమ్మా అదర్ మెథడ్ 56 4 by 9 is equals to x into 57 plus 180 minus x into 56 divided by 180. దీన్ని సాల్వ్ చేసుకుంటూ కూర్చోవడం అదర్ మెథడ్ అంటే. Ramesh sir, ऐसा करे तो it will take a lot of time. Yes or no? So that's why we shifted to our strategy to that method.